In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your delivery address on Walmart's website. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to make sure everything's set up correctly to avoid any delivery mishaps. Let's walk you through the entire process from beginning to end. First, we'll navigate to Walmart's website, specifically the cart page. You can do this by entering the URL directly into your browser, www.walmart.com/cart. Once the page has loaded, you'll want to locate the cart icon. This is usually found at the top right corner of the website. Click on the cart to see a summary of items you're planning to purchase. Before you proceed to checkout, it's crucial to ensure your delivery information is up to date. This will prevent your package from being sent to an incorrect address. So let's go through how you can modify your delivery address. Once you are in your cart, look for options related to delivery. There should be a button or link that says something like pickup or delivery. Click on this option to further expand your delivery settings. After that, you'll see several choices and one of them should say shipping. Click on that to advance to where you can change your delivery details. This is where you have the chance to add or modify an address, ensuring your shipment goes exactly where you want it. When you see the option to add or modify an address, click on Add Address. An address form will open up, allowing you to enter your new delivery details. Carefully type in the necessary information such as your street address, city, state, and postal code. Double check to make sure all the information is accurate. A small typo can lead to an undeliverable package or a significant delay. Once you have entered all your address information, look for the Save button and click it to confirm and store your updated details. This will ensure that any orders you place using this updated information will be sent to the correct address. There you have it. By following these steps, you can easily update your delivery address on Walmart's website, ensuring all your future orders are sent to the right location. This simple update can save you a lot of hassle and confusion in the long run. Thanks for watching, and make sure you have an accurate delivery setup for a smooth shopping experience every time.